Hello lovely people, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today we are cooking dinner. Cook dinner with me, okay? We are making baked potatoes. So I've got 6 red potatoes here. I'm just cutting them into quarters. If you have baby potatoes, maybe you just have to cut them into halves. We are also going to make white sauce and vegetables to go with this, okay? So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Now all the potatoes are cut up, so we are going to season this, but I'm just drizzling a little bit of olive oil on there. This is salt. I'm going to add a little bit of smoked paprika, a little bit of pepper. This is white pepper, you can use black pepper as well. This is garlic that I minced. Now sprinkle your seasoning on there. I'll be leaving all the ingredients that I used in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. On there, now add your parmesan cheese. Now toss them. Now this will be going into the oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 35 to 40 minutes. And every oven varies, so please keep an eye on your potatoes. Now this is my baking pan. I just brush a little bit of oil on the aluminum foil. You don't have to, but because I'm using aluminum foil, I decided to brush the oil on there. So now this is going into the oven. We are just going to prep our vegetables, and they are also going into the oven. This is zucchini that I'm cutting up. I'm just cutting them into 1-inch sizes, but you can decide what size you want yours to be. And the carrots, about half of an inch. And I also have broccoli and some bell peppers. But you can use any vegetable that is available to you. Like I said, this is so simple. So this is it. Now drizzle olive oil. Add your salt. This is to taste, so anything that you prefer. And your pepper. And also parmesan cheese. Now toss. And this one is also going into the oven. Now the potatoes are halfway through, so I'm just going to flip them so that I can get the other side also brown. You don't have to do this. I decided to do that. I'm going to pan sear my salmon. So I have butter in the frying pan already, about a tablespoon of butter, and I added my salmon fillet. Already seasoned with my fish seasoning. If you did not watch that video already, I'll just leave the link in the description box as well. So on the other side, I have a pan with a little bit of cooking oil in there. I'm just going to have half of yellow onion already diced, and I am going to fry until they are caramelized, and then I'll add the rest of the ingredients to it. I am making a white sauce to go with the fish and the potatoes, okay? If today is your first time on my channel, you are warmly welcome. Make sure you subscribe before you leave, okay? And don't forget to share. Share. Support your sister by sharing, okay? Thank you. I am just flipping the salmon. So now the onions are caramelized. I'm just adding cooking wine to this. The onions are going to soak up the flavor from the wine. Oh my goodness. It's going to be one yummy white sauce. To cook this until all the alcohol evaporates, and then we'll add milk. Now potatoes are ready. Mine took exactly 35 minutes, so keep an eye on your potatoes, and they are done. This is how you know when you insert your fork in there, it slices through easily without any resistance. It smells amazing in the kitchen, and I know you love it. So let's go back to the onions. So now the alcohol has evaporated, so I'm adding my heavy cream. You can also use milk, but it will take you a long time for the milk to thicken. So I'm using heavy cream. I'm just seasoning it with salt and pepper to taste, and then I'll let it simmer on the stovetop for about 3 minutes, and it's done. You just have to strain it, and our dinner is ready. If you don't want your white sauce to be thick like mine, you can add vegetable broth or even chicken broth to loosen it up a little bit. Our vegetables too are done. They are fork tender and so good. Now the potatoes are done. I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, fresh chopped parsley on there. And just look at that amazing potato. It is so good. It smells so good. Now we are just going to strain our white sauce. Just like that. And dinner is ready. How easy is that? So serve and enjoy. Add your potatoes. Okay, don't come here. Now add your salmon. Your vegetables. So why have you been sleeping? Beautiful. This is absolutely amazing. And it tastes so good. It tastes so delicious. You love it. Now drizzle your white sauce on the fish, and you are all done. This is so delicious, I guarantee you. So make it. You can share a picture with us, and if you have any comment, please leave it in the comment section below. So if you like what you see, like, subscribe for new videos. Until I come your way again, have a wonderful week. Bye.